Meanwhile, the participants are joining. Those who are already joined, I hope that you people are enjoying the session. Right now, also, we will see one wonderful application of the field of generative AI. Okay. And then later on, you can practice it. And I will also guide you technicality and everything. Okay. Meanwhile, just one information I want to know from your side, the faculties, those who are joining from different department. So how many of you are from other than AI department and your background is different? You are not into Python coding also. Any faculty? Those who are completely new to this world, let me know. Okay, great, great. Just we will start the session in couple of minutes. We are waiting for other participant to join and let me know. Okay, just waiting for couple of minutes. And when to start the session, let me know. I'm ready from my side. Just waiting for participant.
We can start, sir. 37
We can
members are
start.
joined.
Okay, great, great. So please confirm that my voice is clearly audible and my screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everything is okay.
Thank you very much, guys. So I welcome all of you. Let's start the session. A very good afternoon to one and all. I welcome all of you in our wonderful topic on generative AI. We are learning about something related to generative AI. And in the morning session, I have guided you that to learn the generative AI, what is the path we need to follow and what is the exact meaning of generative AI. So I am coming to that path also before going for the application. So as I told you, this is the path for that. Okay, we have to use data analytics concept when no predictions are required. No predictions are required. Okay. Also, data analytics is the foundation of machine learning only, because to learn machine learning, the data analytics major responsibility is to clean the data. Whenever any data is given to you related to any project, that is called as a raw data, RD. We are applying certain tools on that, that is Python coding, data visualization and mathematics, and we are converting into clean data. Okay, the raw data is converted to clean data. So that clean data is the responsibility of data analytics team, and then output is going to machine learning team. Then machine learning team will apply algorithm on that. Clean data plus algorithms is equal to model is the output, guys. Always remember, this is the part. So in the morning, we have gone through this ladder, data analytics, machine learning, we need to learn deep learning. Under deep learning, computer vision and NLP. Okay. So now in the computer vision, as I have told you, we are handling the project called as, sorry, data called as image and video. And in the NLP, we are handling the data called as text and audio. This is the data we people are handling. Okay. Text and audio. So remember one thing, flow, and then I will go in technicality depth of that now. Whenever the project is coming and the data is in any form, okay, that is text, audio, image, video, or either data is in the form of Excel sheet data, structure data. So data which is available in the form of text, audio, and image and video is called as unstructured data, UD, unstructured data. So whenever you are doing any project, if data is related to text and audio, you need to do text pre-processing. Always remember, text pre-processing. Text pre-processing. Same thing if the data is in the form of image and video pre-processing. That is image pre-processing. And data is in available form of Excel sheet, that will call as a normal data pre-processing. So wherever you are working on any project, this part is compulsory. Cleaning of the data. This part pre-processing is called as cleaning of the data. Okay, cleaning of the data. Remember this. And once the data is cleaned, output is clean data that we are feeding to algorithms. So when we are solving the project related to text, so as I told you, algorithm name are RNN, LSTM, transformers, and so on. Here in the image part, algorithm names are, project flow is different. Algorithm part are this one. Concentrate carefully. CNN, transfer learning, YOLO, GAN, and so on. Whatever project you are doing, accordingly we are going ahead. And in the data pre-processing, we are having the machine learning concept. We are applying machine learning algorithms here. And then finally we are going ahead. So this is the process we are following, guys. This is the process we are following. And again, directly jumping into the main topic, I would like to share something again, one more approach, so that you should know how inside the industry we are doing the process. Just a second. Whenever we are solving any project, guys, okay, so client is asking us the approach to solve the business problem. Those who are doing the PhD in the field of AI and they have just registered the PhD, this diagram is very important for all of you also, because this diagram is called as a methodology to solve any PhD problem for any topic, any branch, anything. So concentrate on this slide. Or in the corporate world, we are calling this diagram as approach to solve any business problem related to AI, that is end-to-end AI life cycle. And how we are doing, concentrate carefully. I will be explaining this diagram by taking the help of one example. And example name is, let's take an example that our project name is mobile app for diabetes prediction using machine learning. Again, I am repeating, our project name is mobile app for diabetes prediction using machine learning. So guys, please tell me, in this project, what is our product? I will be interacting with you parallelly. What is our product here? Again, I am repeating, we need to prepare mobile app for diabetes prediction using machine learning. What is our product here? If this is the project given to us by client, what we have to prepare? Any idea? Mobile app, we have to prepare mobile app. Okay, that mobile app is our product, and by selling the mobile app as a product, we will do the business. Okay, but that mobile app we need to prepare with the help of machine learning technique, which is going to predict the diabetes. This is our business understanding, guys. Business understanding. Now you only guide me, okay, because I have prepared the slide in so much easy way. Just I need to give the direction to you people. You are only going to give me the answer. Okay, so that is called as business understanding. Our business or our problem statement is, hey, prepare the mobile app for diabetes prediction using machine learning. Now this data is, or problem statement is of healthcare domain, correct? It is of healthcare domain. You are a non-medical people. I am also non-medical person. Whenever the data related to diabetes is given to us, tell me, are we the right person to understand that data? Do you know diabetes, how the diabetes is happening, ABCD of diabetes, completely in detail? We don't know. I'm also not knowing, no guys. I'm although working from last 12 years in the area of data science. And if suppose someone is giving me the project related to diabetes, I will take the project, no issue, because I am a technical person. So I have to implement the project. But from understanding point of view, data understanding point of view, I am not the right person. So what will happen? I am guiding here now. Concentrate carefully. Very important for all of you. So once I understood that my project name is diabetes prediction, that is business understanding is mobile app for diabetes prediction. So equation will be AI plus X is equal to business. This is the first stage, business understanding. So I came to know X is diabetes data, diabetes, that is healthcare industry. If we are not the right person to understand the diabetes, then to whom we should contact, guys? To whom we should contact? Give me the answer. If I am not a right person to understand the diabetes part, then to whom we should contact? Very good, domain expert. And who will be the domain expert here? Who will be the domain expert? Tell me. That is diabetes doctor. Okay. So here in the first block only, we will call diabetes doctor DD, diabetes doctor, and a doctor will guide us to work on this project of diabetes prediction. What kind of data requirement you will have? So I am writing here second block, data requirement. Concentrate carefully. I am writing in short form. Okay. Data requirement is the part. So this doctor, diabetes patient, diabetes expert doctor will guide us. In this data, you require one Excel sheet. You collect the data of the patient, and there are total 10 column you need to collect, 10 column. Okay. Column 1 this, column 2 this, column 3 this, 4 up to 10 column. 10th column is the output column and remaining 9 are input column. They are guiding like this. Okay. And collect the data when any one patient will come. So take the entry 1, 2, 3, 4 of the patient and check whether that patient is having diabetes or not. If they are having diabetes, write down yes here. Second patient came. Take all the entry, check whether the patient is having diabetes or not. Suppose no, and so on. Like that, this is the data requirement is that doctor is guiding us. This is the data required. So after knowing this, what we are going to do? We are going to collect the data in real time. Data collection. Now, can you people please tell me, suppose we are doing the project of diabetes prediction now, and we need to collect the data. So diabetes data, from where we should collect? What are the data sources in the market to collect the diabetes data? Tell me. From where we should collect the diabetes data, diabetes patient data? Please guide me. Have any idea? Very good. Hospitals. Dr. Mathura has given the answer. Hospital. Absolutely correct. Okay. Then we should calculate pathologies and so on. So very good, Dr. Chandra. Pathology. So to collect the diabetes patient data in this format, whatever the doctor has suggested, we are either collecting from hospitals, HO, laboratories, doctor clinic, and so on. There are so many sources. Now, let me tell you one thing very important. Concentrate on my wording carefully. Data collection. That means I am guiding the same diagram. There I am writing in the drawing format so that you can understood. I am here right now in data collection. Okay. So please concentrate on my wording. Data collection. Now, the responsibility of data collection related to project from the different sources of the market with the help of different tools available inside our company is called as data engineering team in the company. Data engineers. I don't know, have you heard about this word or not? Data engineers or data engineering department. So in the company, the team, that is data engineering team, is having the responsibility of collecting the data related to project from the different sources of the market with the help of different tools and technology. After that, they will store the data in the database. security and the maintenance of the data. These are the 4 responsibility of data engineering team. They are collecting the data related to project, store the data, security and the maintenance of the data. Now, output of data collection team is one Excel sheet, which is having the diabetes patient data, same data asked by the doctor. And suppose we have collected 1 lakh patient data. So our data is having 1 lakh rows and 10 columns as per given by the doctor, this one. So we have collected the data. But during data collection, lots of error occur, error. Okay. So will check the quality of data, that is called a data validation. Validation dictionary meaning is testing. We will collect the quality of that data, quality. And then after that, we are going to clean that data. Data cleaning, data pre-processing. It is called as data pre-processing. So this data pre-processing is done by data analyst team in the world. This data analyst team is having the responsibility of cleaning the data, and we are working on diabetes patient data, so they will clean that data. Data analyst will do that inside the company. The output of data pre-processing is the clean data. Clean data, guys. CD, clean data. Now on this clean data, now we are dividing our data into 2 parts. Clean data is divided into 2 parts. One data is called as training data, and another data is called as a testing data. We are dividing the data into training and testing. After dividing the data into training and testing, the training data, we are applying the suitable algorithm. Now here is the process. Okay. Now give me the answer of the question. If I am working on image and video kind of project, what is that field called as? What that field called as? If I am working on image and video project, flow will be same. I will collect the image data, I will clean it, and I will divide data into training testing. So absolutely correct. Dr. Sham has given the answer. If we are working on image project, so we will apply the algorithm called as CNN, YOLO, and others depending on the need and requirement. If data is image or video, if data is text or audio, which kind of process we will apply? If it is text or audio, I told you in the morning, if text and audio is there, which kind of project it is? Any idea?
RNN, UTM.
Very good, guys. You got it now. RNA and LSTM, that series. And if the data is structured data, then we will apply normal machine learning algorithm. So always remember one thing. On the training, that to clean data is divided into training testing. On that, we are applying algorithm. So I don't know, have you heard this word in the market or not? Can you please tell me, have you heard in the market this word? Suppose this is the block called as machine learning and deep learning. Have you heard this word? QIQO, that is quality input, quality output, and GIGO, garbage input, garbage output. Have you heard this name before? Everyone tell me. Quality input, quality output, garbage input gives garbage output. Have you heard this name before? No, you don't heard. Okay. What about others? Okay. I will tell you that. What is the meaning of that? Actually, in the industry, we are working in the industry. This is extremely famous word for us. Quality input gives quality output, garbage input gives garbage output. So to this machine learning algorithm, this machine learning block or deep learning block, algorithm block. So inside that algorithms are there. In the machine learning or deep learning, algorithms are there. So if to the algorithm you will give quality input, algorithm will learn from the quality input, and output of the algorithm will be quality output. And to this algorithm, if you will give garbage input as a input, garbage input, so algorithm output will be the garbage output. So in the machine learning block, there are 2 dialogue famous inside the company. Quality input gives quality output, garbage input gives garbage output. So algorithm is like a kid. It is a small kid already made. Algorithms are made from mathematics, already made. Just give to the algorithm whatever data. If it is a clean data, output will be clean. If it is a garbage data, output will be garbage. So that is the point come here. It is extremely important that your data should be clean. That's what I have written, clean data. That clean data is divided into training testing. So hence that training data we are giving to algorithm, that is quality input. This is algorithm. An algorithm will learn from quality input depending on the data. If it is image video data, apply CNN and other. If it is text audio, apply RNN, LSTM, others. Or it is normal Excel sheet data, machine learning. Now after learning from the data, algorithm output is called as model. Concentrate carefully. Model. Okay. This is the algorithm output. This is the model. Let me stretch up to this model. Now to this model, and these models are used for prediction. So to this model, we are giving testing data now, testing data for prediction. So I am giving test data here. To this model, we are giving now testing data. Now this model will do the prediction. Prediction. Now whatever the prediction is done, so whether that prediction is correct or not, so we are doing model evaluation, model testing, that is called as model evaluation, and we are doing that evaluation part here. And once these evaluation results are perfect, then we are going for model deployment, MD. That means whatever the diabetes patient data is coming up to here, we are converting that diabetes patient data into mobile app. So mobile app will be converted at this stage, model to app. And now that app is available in Play Store. Common public will download that app, and then finally our company is going to monitor the performance. MP, monitor performance. So this is called as step-by-step flow. This, after understanding that we have to make mobile app for diabetes prediction, that is our product. So inside that two part, AI and that data. AI are we people, and that data is coming from medical domain. So we will take the domain expert help. That domain will call what is the data required to solve this project. So we are noting that what is data required, 10 column required, 9 input, 1 output. Then we are going to collect that data from the market. So the team is collecting called as data engineering team, which is having the responsibility of collecting the data, storing the data, security and maintenance of data. Whatever data they have collected is called as a raw data or dirty data. We will check the quality of data, and then we will clean the data. That is done by data analyst team inside the company. So now this output of data analysis, data pre-processing is clean data. This is the clean data. Now that clean data is divided into training testing. On the training data, we are applying algorithm. This is algorithm. Depending on the type of data you are handling. Output of algorithm is a model. And you are giving testing data to the model for prediction. Model will give as an output, and it is used for prediction. We will check the quality of prediction by ME, model evaluation. It is working properly or not. If it is working properly by lots of testing, then we will do model deployment. That is app we will make here. And that app will be available in Play Store. Common public will download that app. More business will be done. And we are doing model performance. So this is called as an approach to solve any business problem for your research work also. And the same diagram I have drawn here. Okay, same thing. Business understanding, data requirement, data collection, data validation, data pre-processing, model, that is applying algorithm, model evaluation, and so on. Model deployment and model monitoring. This diagram is called as methodology to solve business problem. We are following this only inside the industry. And we are doing lots of rigorous practice on this part. So now, as I have shared one file with you people, if you remember, I have shared two files today with you. One project we already did in the morning. And the second project right now I'm guiding is called as autoencoder project. That is a basic foundation model for generative AI. So our majority topics are related to generative AI. So generative AI meaning I have already told you, generating the new data with the help of AI. That is called as generative AI. Okay. Generating new data. That new data may be image, video, audio, text, anything. And that whatever data is generated, it look like real. It look like real. One sample example I have shown you morning. one image I have displayed to you which look like real. Now I already guided you to learn the generative AI. One should have the working principle of deep learning. So one question to all of you, very honest question I am asking, and I am expecting honest answer also. Please tell me, do you know deep learning technology? Those who don't know, those who people only will answer. Those who know, please don't answer. I want to know, out of 62 people present over here, those who don't know deep learning, those faculty will write down no in the chat window. Those who don't know deep learning, please be honest, so that beauty will be there. If you don't know deep learning, don't take tension then. I will guide accordingly. Okay. Very good. No worry. No need to take tension. Okay. Just I am asking for my information so that my delivery should be accordingly. Because if you don't know deep learning and I will be topping very high level concept of deep learning, I will not do that. Instead of that, as I told you, I will give the session application specific. Okay. And I will guide you inside that you have to learn this concept. Is this okay? You tell me. Or else shall I go? Your voice is not audible. Either Hindi or English. What you are telling, Sophia, I really don't know. Okay. So I am asking you people with your due permission, I am talking about. Okay. Majority of participants are responding no, they don't know deep learning. Okay. So if I will go in technical depth of deep learning, you will not understand right now because you don't know deep learning. So I'm asking that I will explain you project. Okay, parallelly you will run with me and I will guide you that to do this project what concept is required, and then also you can learn later on also, and I will also give small overview of that concept. Is this okay? Please tell me. Or shall I go deeper in technical explanation first and then come to application? You tell me, because according to you I will go ahead, because it will be good. The thing is that your time and my time is precious and we should utilize for optimum learning. No one can you teach you deep learning within one day also. So deep learning is the vast topic which is required minimum 5 months of learning. Okay, for deep learning. Okay, understood it. So understand that. So basic ideas you people are having for deep learning, very good. So that's what I'm talking about. So I am here only. What you people require to learn deep learning is this now. And then I am coming up to autoencoder. Our area is autoencoder today. We are going to do generative AI project for autoencoder. So to learn that, as I told you, this is the flow you need to follow. So we should know deep learning, and deep learning is nothing but motivation come from biological neuron. This is the biological neuron, because deep learning is motivated from human brain, how human brain is working, and then accordingly deep learning concept come into picture. So it has been found that our human brain is made of, our entire human body is made of billions of biological neuron. So scientists has learned the biological neuron first, and then they come on the artificial neuron. So biological neuron working is like that. In our biological neuron, we are receiving the signal from other neuron with the help of dendrite. After receiving the signal, all signal is get added, and the resultant signal is sent to another neuron with the help of axon. So this is the process, motivation behind a biological neuron. Biological neuron inspiration is taken and scientists has made the artificial neuron that is called as perceptron. So the basic of deep learning is this perceptron. Now how the perceptron is working in this way. So please concentrate carefully. Perceptron is working into three principal category. When I am that much basic I am guiding, which is required for the project. So let's take an example. This perceptron is taking three input: x1, x2, x3. So in the world of deep learning, every input is associated with one weight. So x1 will have some weight here, that is w1. x2 is having weight w2. x3 is having w3. And artificial neuron, this is artificial neuron we are developing right now. Artificial neuron is divided into three parts working. That is, this is a perceptron. We are actually making one perceptron right now, one biological neuron, for example, perceptron. The first artificial neuron of the world is called as perceptron. Check it. This is a perceptron. So it is divided into three parts of the working. Concentrate. First part of the working. How many inputs are there in this perceptron? 3. How many weight? 3. 1 weight per input. So at the first level, we will multiply like this. x1 multiplied by w1 plus x2 multiplied by w2 plus x3 multiplied by w3. We are doing like this. So all this get multiplied. So this is the first level working, which I am writing here. x1 w1 x2 w2 plus x3 w3. What your answer will come? So second part, we are adding bias in that bias, one constant. So I am adding bias to this result, bias. And then after adding the bias, again one result a signal I will get, I will pass to third level, that is called as activation function. So whatever result will come, we will give it to final result to activation function. We will apply activation function. Activation functions are nothing but some mathematical function. So one activation function is sigmoid, 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power minus x. This is that. So whatever answer you will find of this, just give that number here in this equation. So on the basis of this equation, 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power minus x, you will always get the answer in between 0 and 1, always. So that will be the output here, activation function output. So finally, this will be the output. So to learn the neuron, artificial neuron, these 5 terminology you should know very carefully. Out of 5, 3 should be compulsory. Input, weight, bias, activation function, and then output. Out of all these 5, weight, bias, and activation function is the hero of the picture. That you have to learn it. So weight is giving the strength to input signal. Bias is used for activation function, constant, and activation function is for bringing non-linearity. So that is this part now.
Excuse me,
That's what.
sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, what is the significance of adding bias in this?
I am coming to that.
Okay, okay, sir.
In your school days, we have learned one equation called as y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of straight line, if you people remember. So I am guiding you two processes here. One process is this. If the line is passing through origin, that equation is y is equal to mx. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now, same thing. If I am adding c here, so c is added and the line will pass like this. This is the equation of this line. Y is equal to mx plus c. So this c is nothing but this y-intercept. This is c. So the difference between first and second is this only. In the first, we haven't added c. So line is passing through origin. And in the second, we have added plus c, y-intercept. So line is passing from here, not from origin. So this is y equal to mx plus c, equation of straight line. Same thing in the deep learning, same equation is used, but the equation is like this. Y is equal to wx plus b, where w is the weight added to every input and bias is added to the entire multiplication of wx. So this bias is nothing but adding the constant which will shift your entire data from the origin. That is from activation function. Here and there, we are controlling that. So bias meaning is, I have written also in this slide. So check this. This is the perceptron. Let's check the perceptron working via visualization also. So these are all weight and input multiplied, added to the, that is added now. Bias is added now. Now given to activation function, and output of activation function is the final outcome of perceptron. So in this way, one artificial neuron is working. Okay. Now, as I told you, to become the expert in deep learning, weight, bias, and activation function we should know. So these are the significance. Weight is used for adding strength to the input signal. Bias is add as a constant value, which will use to shift the activation function curve. And activation function is used to bring non-linearity. This is the significance of using bias here. And one logical question to all of you, please tell me guys, one logical question. Please tell me, if in our human body only one biological neuron is present, will our human body will function? If only one biological neuron is present, will our human body will function?
No.
No, we will be in coma. Same thing here. I have just written one biological neuron in front of you. This, sorry, artificial neuron. This one circle is one artificial neuron. In one artificial neuron, these 5 things are compulsory: input, weight, bias, activation function, output. Out of these 5, these 3 are the main hero. You should know this, in and out about this. Then only go ahead. If you know all the basics of weight, bias, and activation function, then there is a beauty of learning deep learning. And I'm telling you, I have done that. That's what I'm guiding you in that way. So, as one biological neuron cannot use or cannot be sufficient to function the human body, similarly, one perceptron, this is one perceptron, is not sufficient for building real-time applications such as ChatGPT, face recognition, object detection, and generative AI, and so on. So what we are doing, we are using multi-layer perceptron. Now see, I will guide you in so much easy way. Now you tell me that it is easy or hard. I am taking the challenge. I am directly teaching high-end concept to all the fresher now. And tell me freshers are understanding or not. Let's check this. Okay. Concentrate on my wording. So this is single perceptron having input, weight, bias, activation function, and output. But single perceptron is not sufficient to build the network. That is application. Now we are using multi-layer perceptron. Multi-layer perceptron. Name itself indicate multiple perceptrons are there. So I am drawing one network in front of you, and I will explain you in the easy way, and then you tell me what is this. Okay, now concentrate. I am drawing MLP, multi-layer perceptron, which is also called as artificial neural network, ANN, basic of deep learning part. Artificial neural network. That means I am going to draw one network of perceptron artificially. That is the meaning. So I am drawing that. So to draw that ANN network, we require 3 layer compulsory: input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. Now I will guide you very easily. So let's take an example, input layer. So I'm drawing one network in front of you, and then you tell me. Very easy. See, if any concept is taught in a simple way, then we can understand anything. That is my belief always. So in this, concentrate carefully. This is a input layer, and why all this I am going to explain each and everything. Don't worry. Just concentrate on my wording. This is hidden layer, and this is output. In input layer, there are 4 perceptron. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 perceptron. In this, there are 2 hidden layer. This is H1 and this is H2. In H1, there are 3 perceptron, 3 node. In H2, there are 2 perceptron, and in the output, 1 perceptron. So perceptron is also called as different name. in the different book and article. Don't get confused. Perceptron is also called as node, is also called as neuron. Pardon for my bad handwriting. I also don't know how I'll get pass in my university exam. I'm still searching that professor who make me pass. My bad handwriting is very bad. Thank you for understanding, guys. Okay. So this is the perceptron I'm talking about, one circle. So now see what I am doing. I am connecting the network. So this first perceptron of the input layer, there are 4 perceptron, 1, 2, 3, 4, is connected to all the 3 perceptron of hidden layer 1. Very next layer is hidden layer 1. Same thing, second is connected to all perceptron. Third is connected to all perceptron. Now concentrate carefully. Fourth is connected to all perceptron. Now input layer is connected to hidden layer 1. And in which fashion? Every neuron of input layer is connected to all neuron of hidden layer 1. All. So this type of connection is called as fully connected layer. Fully connected. All is connected with each other. Up to this you understood? Please tell me. I have connected all the 4 neuron to all the 3 neuron of hidden layer 1, all to each other. This is called as fully connected fashion. Up to this understood? Tell me yes or no. Write down yes in the chat window so that I will go ahead. I am drawing one network and I will explain everything. Just I am explaining the meanings. So once it is connected, come here. Same thing in the hidden layer 1 H1, there are 3 perceptron, 1, 2, 3. Now the first perceptron of hidden layer 1, I am connecting to both perceptron of hidden layer 2. Same thing, this I am connecting to hidden layer 2 and third one like this. So now the connection between H1 and H2 is also fully connected. Is also fully connected. Okay, this one. Now H2 is connected to output. So H2 is having 2 neuron and output is 1 neuron. So it is connected like this and it is connected like this. And finally, this is the output from here. Prediction. Prediction. Okay, now I am explaining in the easy way now. Now this is called as ANN network, artificial neural network you have designed. And I am going to guide you how it is, everything systematically. Now this network you have designed. In this network, we are giving 4 input because 4 neurons are there in the input layer. This is X1, X2, X3, X4. Now concentrate carefully on my wording. If you are working on any project and in that project, you have collected the data and in that project, there are total 10 column, 9 input column and 1 output column. 9 input and 1 output. And now on the basis of this project, I have to design the network. So in this network, there are 1 input layer, 2 hidden layer and 1 output layer. So how many neuron in this network? I have drawn 4 neuron, 1, 2, 3, 4. But in the practical life, how many neuron we should select in the input layer is directly proportional to number of input of your project. Whatever project you people are working on, if in that project there are 9 input, so there will be 9 neuron in the input layer. So the number of neuron in the input layer is decided by number of input of the project. Are you getting or not? So you tell me, if in this Excel sheet there are total 10 column, 9 input column and 1 output column. So how many inputs are there? 9. So how many neuron we will be needing if we need to design the network? So how many neuron in the input layer we will need? Tell me. 9. Very good. You got the answer now. Now next 9 neuron. Now in the network, number of hidden layer. In this network, there are 2 hidden layer, H1 and H2. So in the network, deciding the number of hidden layer is up to user. User can use one hidden layer. User can use two hidden layer depending the complexity of project. User can use three hidden layer or up to 1,000 also. Okay, it is up to user. So deciding the number of hidden layer in the network is up to us. Same thing in hidden layer 1, there are 3 neuron. So deciding the number of neuron in every hidden layer is also up to us. So I have designed this network just by assuming 2 hidden layer. You can design with 3, 4 or 1 also. And number of neuron I have taken here 3, you can take 4, 5 also, no worry. So now concentrate on my wording. Deciding the number of hidden layer H1, H2, H3 and so on is decided by user, and the number of neuron in hidden layer 1, 2, 3 is also decided by user. Now we are learning the topic called as deep learning. So from where the deep word came into picture, now here is the answer. If in the network, suppose you are having 100 hidden layer H1, H2 up to 100 or some more H1, H2 up to 50. So the more the number of hidden layer, more the network is deep. That means if this is the neural network 1, 2, 3, 4 and hidden layers are very more. So the network is deep. More the number of hidden layer, more the network is deep. And from this deep learning word given to this topic, deep learning concept. After machine learning, we are learning deep learning. Why so name has been given deep? Because number of hidden layer are more. Number of hidden layers are more. This is deep learning. Similarly, number of neuron is decided by us. And then finally, output layer. Output layer is having only one neuron. So output layer depend on the what output you want actually in the project. If you want binary classification output, yes, no, so you can use one neuron or two neuron here. Okay, and so on. If your output is suppose high, low, medium, three category, high, low, medium, then you have to use three neuron in the output layer. So number of neuron in the output layer depending on what output you want and so on. So now this is the network I have designed in front of you. Now you only going to guide me. Now you are a designer of deep learning, neural network. And now see, it is very easy. Now you will guide me. Just above, this is a single perceptron diagram I have shown to you. One quick question to all of you. By looking this perceptron, then you will give me the answer. In this perceptron, how many inputs are there in this perceptron? How many input? Tell me. 3. Very good. Correct answer. Now, how many weight are there in this network, in this perceptron? How many weight are there in this? Please tell me. 3. Very good. So the meaning is number of input is equal to number of weight. Sorry, number of weight equal to number of input. One weight per input. Always remember. So if anyone asks you how many weight are there in your perceptron, so what you will tell the answer? How many input are there? You will ask them. They will say 100 input are there. So you will say 100 weights will be there in one perceptron. Are you getting the answer now? If anyone asks you how many weight are there in one perceptron, so you will answer how many input. If someone will take 100, so 100 weight. So here 3 input, 3 weight. Now tell me how many bias in this perceptron? How many bias we have used in this perceptron? Tell me. 1. Very good. So 1 bias per perceptron. Remember this. 1 bias per perceptron. Very good. You are very talented. And how many activation function in one perceptron? 1 only. So answer is very clear. How many weight are required depending on number of input. One perceptron is having one weight, that is one neuron, and one activation function. Now this logic is helping us here. Now concentrate carefully. Now you tell me in the hidden layer 1 in this network, how many neurons are there in the hidden layer 1 in this network? How many neuron?
3.
Neuron. I am talking about
3.
3. Very good. Now please concentrate on my wording. You are very near. You will really enjoy this. Concentrate carefully. Now out of these 3 neuron, please concentrate first neuron of the hidden layer 1, first neuron. This one. To this first neuron, how many inputs are coming? Tell me.
Two inputs.
No. To this, check it properly. To this one, how many inputs are coming? 4 input. Very good. You are very talented people. 4 input. So to this neuron, this first neuron, how many weight will be associated if 4 weight inputs are coming? So how many weight here? 4 weight. Very good. So I am writing here 4W. 4W to this neuron first. How many bias for this neuron one? First one. How many bias will be there? 1. Very good. Because one perceptron is have one bias. So I am writing 4W, 1B for this perceptron. 4 weight will be there and 1 bias will be there. Very good. Now please come on the second one. Second one. To the second one, how many inputs are coming? Second neuron, this one. 4. How many weight then? 4. Very good. 4 weight. 1 bias. Similarly to this third also, 4 weight, 1 bias because 4 inputs are coming. So see here, perceptron wise, first perceptron 4 weight, 1 bias, second perceptron 4 weight, 1 bias, 4 weight, 1 bias. So in the hidden layer 1, total number of weight will be 12 and number of bias is 3 in hidden layer 1. 12 weight and 3 bias. Is this clear up to? Clear guys up to this? Yes or no? Very good. Now see the magic now. Now go to hidden layer 2. In the hidden layer 2 first perceptron, how many inputs are coming to the first perceptron? In the hidden layer 2, 3. So 3 weight. Very good. 3 weight and 1 bias. Now hidden layer 2 also 3 weight, 1 bias. 3 weight and 1 bias. So total number of weight here is 6 weight and 2 bias. This one, hidden layer 2. Now output layer. Output layer is getting 2 input. So 2 weight and 1 bias because 1 perceptron. So output layer is 2 weight and 1 bias. And always remember input layer is always having 0 parameter. Here there is no weight and biases because directly input values are coming here. X1, X2, X3, X4. Here some values will be coming. Now in this entire network, now please concentrate on my wording. So hidden layer 1 we have 12 weight 3 bias. Hidden layer 2 we have 6 weight 2 bias and output layer we have 2 weight 1 bias. Now concentrate on my wording. If anyone asks you the question in the entire network, this network, how many weights are there? So 12 plus 6 plus 2, 20. And how many bias are there if anyone asks you? 3 plus 2 plus 1. How much? 6 bias. 26, 20 weight and 6 bias. And now final beauty. Now please concentrate. If anyone asks you how many parameter are there when they are asking parameter word. Anyone ask you parameter, then combine weight plus bias. Answer will be 26. So in this entire network, there are 26 parameter in this network. Okay, in this network, there are 26 parameter. And working of each perceptron is like this only, which I explained about. This is the mathematics. That's what I told you. It is heavy-headed mathematics. Only one perceptron mathematics is this. You imagine parallelly all perceptron and so on. Those who wish to live their life less, spend more time on learning mathematics of deep learning. Your life will be reduced. Okay. Don't go in that direction. Just understand a single perceptron working and enjoy the life. I am also doing the same. I am learning the first perceptron working and I am replicating all the perceptron is working in this way only. Yes, and it is correct also. All these are working in this direction. 26 parameters are there in this network. Now 26 parameter network is looking like this. Now I am going to Google. I am writing in front of you. Concentrate carefully. Chat GPT 3.5 parameters. So chat GPT total number of parameters 3.5 is, this is the parameter list. I am coming here and let's check that. Check it. Chat GPT 3.5 architecture is having 175 billion parameter. How much? 175 billion parameter. That means 175 billion, not 175 parameter, 175 billion, 175 billion weight and biases. Chat GPT 3.5 is having. So it is beyond the human brain. Our capacity is not there. Human brain capacity is not there to understand all the mathematics of chat GPT 3.5. It is beyond our capacity. You can imagine 26 parameter network is like this. So 175 billion parameter network. Oh my God. We can imagine also. So this is the network, guys. We have designed successfully. This is called as ANN, artificial neural network. And this ANN is working in this fashion, two fashion. This ANN is working in two fashion. I'm writing here. That diagram is become very messy now. Forward propagation and backward propagation. In the forward propagation, we will give 4 input value of x1 up to x4. Then all the neuron is connected and these values are getting multiplied and output is coming. And finally output is coming. That is called as prediction. That means in this diagram, we will give x1, x2, x3, x4 value. All 4 value will go to the first perceptron. All mathematical operation takes place. Output will be there. Second perceptron, third perceptron. This output is connected to hidden layer 2 and there also same process will work on. And finally you are having prediction. This is the prediction. Now this prediction we are comparing with actual value of our project. We will get error. Now concentrate what I am guiding. So predictions are there and actual output is there. If prediction we are getting 3 and output is 10 actual. So there is a huge error in this 7. Actual minus prediction 7. I want to reduce the error. So to reduce the error, we are doing backward propagation, BP. And now in the backward propagation, why I am getting this kind of prediction? Because in my network, there are 26 weight and biases. So values of the 26 weight and biases are not good. That's what output is coming 3. Now, during the backward propagation, I am changing those all values of weight and biases. And now with a new value of weight and biases, again, I am giving input, output I am taking. Now with the new 26 values of weight and biases, now prediction is coming 5. Actual is 10. Now we have reduced some error now. Now error is 5. But still it is high. Again, this 26 value of weight and biases are not sufficient. Again, I am doing backward propagation. So the person, those who are doing backward propagation is called as optimizer. Gradient descent. Gradient descent, Adam and so on. Okay. So optimizer is reducing the changing the values of weight and biases and so on. Now again with the new value of weight and biases, we are proceeding further. Now new prediction is 3, error actually is 7. Again now we have reduced increased the error 7. That means again that values are not good. Again we are doing backward propagation, changing all the 26 values of weight and biases. Again going ahead. Now we got 8 as a prediction and actual is 10. So error is 2. Now we have drastically reduced the error here. So now this iteration will continue, guys, until and unless we will reach out to the actual that is very near to that. For example, 9.59. Now error is 0.1. So we are in the searching of that weight and biases value, 26 weight and biases value, where error is nominal, very negligible. So this is the agenda of deep learning projects. Whatever project we people are doing, we are designing the network. And then finally, when we are training the network, our majority aim is to reduce the error to the minimum, where actual and prediction values are same. This is the world of deep learning. Okay. So this process we are doing, guys. So pardon for my all, as I told you, heavy-handed mathematics part. But is this the way deep learning are working? That's what I'm telling you. Those who are new to deep learning, learn step by step. As whatever concept I have guided here in the diagram, honestly speaking to you, this is the 5 days concept I have guided you in a very fast way. If single day only, I will only learn what is perceptron, what is working, and what is weight, bias, and activation function. Activation function are of 15 to 20 types. That's what I'm telling. Only learning the perceptron, it will take 2 to 3 days of time. And to learn the deep learning, 5 months of time, and so on. If you really want to learn the quality, and so on. So this is the part. I have given the small direction to you people. So the thing is, this is the entire learning path. So these are the weight and biases. These are the activation function. Mathematics of activation function is this. And accordingly, we are choosing the activation function depending on the project requirement and so on. So this is that part. And then finally, activation function we learn, and then we will come to know what this we have designed today. See, this one only. Same thing. You can design anything. This is your network you have designed, and number of input and output parameter we have calculated. Now finally, once it is done, now I'm coming to the application. Okay, because it is going heavy headed. Now then drawback of ANN is avoided by CNN, as I told you. Then after CNN, we are learning architecture of CNN. Now autoencoder we will learn this one. This is the architecture. So this is the generative AI roadmap for computer vision. We will learn image classification, CNN and other architecture, image segmentation and so on, object detection, GAN and autoencoder. Now generative AI is our FDP name. Hence I am coming on autoencoder for generating something. But this is a roadmap you need to follow. Same thing with NLP roadmap, which I have guided on first half today. RNN, LSTM, encoder, decoder, transformer, BERT, and so on. So this is the final roadmap. You can take the screenshot of this. This is a roadmap to learn deep learning and then generative AI. This is the roadmap. On the left hand side, computer vision algorithm step by step. On the right hand side, NLP algorithm step by step. Okay. So this you have to learn. Now, as I'm guiding you here is autoencoder. This is a one generative AI, autoencoder. One foundation model of generative AI. So autoencoder is used for image to image generation. Autoencoder is a network which is used for image to image generation. The size of image at input is equal to size of image at the output, but both the image will be different depending on the application. This is autoencoder. So autoencoder consists of three parts: encoder, code, and decoder. Check it. And just right now I have explained ANN architecture. So see, all single dot here is a perceptron. It is a perceptron. So now you will understand. Otherwise, if directly I jump here, you didn't understand this. So this is single perceptron. So this is the input layer, this one, and this is the final output layer. Now the network is like this. So in this network is designed in the three part: encoder, code, and decoder. So if we are giving the input here, so number of neuron in the hidden layer 1 is 4, in the hidden layer 2 is 3, and in the hidden layer 3 is 2. And again in the hidden layer 4 it is increasing and so on. So whenever we are giving any input image as an input to this encoder, so the encoder main working is to extract the important features from the input image and give to the code. And then code is having the important feature, and decoder main duty is that decode that feature and reconstruct the image back. Now during this decoding and encoding, okay, we are changing the images according to our need. If I am giving noisy image as an input, I will get de-noisy image as an output. If I will give Shah Rukh Khan image as an input, you will get Hrithik Roshan image as an output. Today we can perform. You can give any image. Today I am showing you one generative AI code where you can give one person image as an input, other person image as an output. You decide 2%. So now this project I am showing to you right now, and that project I have already shared with you. And please open that project so that live I will demonstrate in front of you one application. That is generative AI application. Okay. So how to open that? Please go to Google Colab as I am writing here. Please concentrate carefully. And I will go very slow now. Very, very slow. Concentrate. I am writing here Google Colab. Please do parallelly with me. Google Colab. Open Google Colab. You have downloaded 2 files in the morning. Now open the file number 2, which I have shared with you. Okay. Please open that, guys. Open that file. And after opening that file, please write down yes in the chat window. Please write down yes in the chat window. This is the application we are developing right now. Image to image generation with the help of this code. And you will really enjoy that. And this application is built on the basis of this concept called as autoencoder, this one. And inside this autoencoder, these are the single perceptron you are finding it. Okay. Once you open this file, write down yes in the chat window so that I can explain to you. Yes, I am explaining that also, how to load data into Colab. I am explaining that also right now. Just parallelly do the practice with me. Okay. Please do the practice with me. Done. Now please concentrate. Now on the basis of public demand, I will ask the question to public, that is you. You tell me which person image should I give input and which person image you should have output. You decide. You tell me. I will do live in front of you. Any celebrity, any politician, anyone. Those images easily available in internet. Give the name of that people. Which image to which image should I do the practical? Tell me. Myself. Oh my God, I am a celebrity. Thank you. Someone told me myself. Okay, Modi image, great. Which to which one? That's what I'm asking. Which to which? Tell me, guys. Let's do thing, and it is really interesting. Modi image as an input and output as which person image you want as output? Output as you want my yourself to Modi. Oh my God. Okay. Someone is telling Modi to Rahul, anything. Many categories are there, guys. So let's do with Modi to Rahul. Okay. Last one I'm taking. So which is easily available in the internet. I am going in front of you to download the Modi image. Okay. Please take it. Any image I can download. You can also download any image. Okay. That image should be JPG or PNG format. So I'm downloading this image. This one. Any random image you can download. I am saving the image as Modi ji image. Then Rahul Gandhi image. Any image I will take it. Suppose I will take this image. Rahul. So I have taken this image. So what she has replied, Modi to Rahul. Okay, Modi to Rahul image, I will take it. The project is a Modi to Rahul now. Now concentrate carefully.
No, sir, not Rahul. Be someone else.
No, Rahul. Oh my God. Someone is not liking Rahul Gandhi. Okay. Modi to Rahul. I actually following the chat of Pita Shilaji. So that's what I have taken that. Now you tell me. Modi to what? Amit Shah.
Shiv. It's Savan.
Okay, Savan is going, but it is a God image, so I don't want to do that. So let's do play with the human only. Amit Shah. Is this good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I love Shivji, my favorite. So Modi, Amit Shah, Amit. Done. So now concentrate. Now this is the Google Colab you people have opened. I am converting Modi to Amit Shah. Okay, Modi ji to Amit Shah. Now on this file, On the left hand side, there is one black button. Please run that. I will explain the code also. First, please run that what I am guiding. Run this and wait for a moment. Run that. And you people should take any two image, guys. Okay. I am taking this two. You should take anyone. If you are having any actress famous, you can do that also. Okay. So this is the case. Just a second, guys. Huh. Now, please concentrate carefully. Our project is to convert one person image to another person with the help of generative AI. And this autoencoder is one of the model we are using that. So in this code, this file, this library is used for what we can say data visualization. Again, just a second, guys. Just hold for a moment. Sorry for I got a call actually, urgent call. So this project is we are dealing with image to image conversion. So this all what is going is I am explaining that. So this first is used for data visualization. Whatever image we will download, so we will visualize this image with the help of matplotlib library. Then we are going to use this second library for mathematical operation on pixel value. Image is made of pixel and image is an array only. So we will do mathematical operation on that. This CV2 library is used for image processing. Okay. Then this third library is used to convert the image into array. Image is made of array. And then this last two library is used to create algorithm autoencoder with the help of convolutional CNN and so on. So this we are executing. Now in the second line, I am writing size equal to 256. You can write on any number, but as I am writing the lesser in size because computational process will be fast to explain you the project. And why we are doing so? Because in the image data cleaning, there is one concept that I am guiding here. Whatever the image project we people are working on, okay? Where is that my diagram? Uh, this. Check it, this one. When I am having the image data, so the size of image are different. Right now I have downloaded Modi ji image, Amit Shah image and Rahul ji image, but might be possible the size of image is different. To work on the project, I need all the image of same size, 300 by 300, 400 by 400 and so on. So that we are doing here. I am whatever the Modi ji and Amit ji image I am working on, that image size is different, but I will bring it to 256 by 256. You can change anything. So that's what we are using this. Third line, don't run this line of Google Drive. Don't run this. I will show you the shortcut technique. Okay. Now, once you run this up to this line, size equal to 256, run that line, but don't run this line Google Colab line. Now come to this. Now before this, I will show you how to upload the data. Now concentrate carefully. In this Google Colab, on the left hand side, there is one file folder. If you are observing at the bottom, click on that. After clicking, such window will open. Now please concentrate. Majority people will make mistake. Again, I am repeating. On the left hand side, there is one file option icon. Click on that. This page will open. Now after opening this page, on the top left, there is one upload option is given upload. Check it. Upload is given upload. I am clicking on that. So wherever your image are there, please upload that. I am uploading Amit Shah image in front of you. Okay. And again, I am clicking on that and I'm uploading Modi image in front of you. Done. So see on the left hand side, Amit ji and Modi ji image is uploaded. You also upload your two-person image and let me know up to this you have reached or not. Tell me. Okay. Please do that and I'm waiting. Please do that. Once you have uploaded, write down yes in the chat window. What about others? Please upload. Up to this, you have to reach it. Then only we will go. Are you with me or you have lost? Please upload. I am waiting for your signal, guys. Uploaded everyone. Very good. Now concentrate carefully. I am doing the project of converting Modi ji to Amit. So I am copying. Now see, go to the Modi ji image. Whatever image you have uploaded, there are 3 dots are coming. I am copying that 3 dot, copy that dot. And I am pasting the path here. In the first image here. Like this. Up to this, you want to paste it. Check it. I am pasting the path here. Check it. Now what we are doing, I have given the path of Modi ji image, and with the help of that image processing library CV2, we are reading the Modi ji image and I am asking to display that. So it is going to display the Modi ji image now. Now Modi ji image is getting displayed, but it is displayed in the BGR format. It is looking bluish in color, BGR. I will convert it to RGB. So with the help of next line, run this line, it will convert it to RGB, BGR to RGB. So now this is the original image of Modi ji which we have downloaded. Same thing you have to do. Okay. Modi ji image. But this Modi ji image is might be of different size. So we are resizing to 256 by 256. This size is 256, which we have given above. See, size is equal to 256. So now we are bringing this Modi ji image to same size and convert it to array. That we are doing. And after converting to array, we are making the Modi ji image, and Modi ji image is in the variable img underscore array. This is Modi ji image is img underscore array. Okay. Now Modi ji image is ready for the training. We have done the data pre-processing. Now Amit Shah image data to Amit Shah image. I am taking in this. Now I will go to that and I will copy the path of Amit Shah, copy that path of Amit Shah and paste in this content for the second image read. I am pasting Amit Shah image and I am reading the Amit Shah image which is in bluish in color, BGR format, Amit Shah image, blue in color. Now I am converting to RGB. RGB. This is the original image of Amit Shah, which is of different size. So I am bringing to the same size of 256 by 256 Amit Shah image and convert it to array. Now Amit Shah image is available in img underscore array 2. And Modi ji image is under img score array. Now data is ready. Data is ready. Now I will create the auto encoder model. So this auto encoder model is consists of encoder, decoder, this model and code. Encoder, decoder and code. So right now this is the encoder model. Just remember this encoder. This is the code one and this is decoder. We are executing that. Now the whatever the encoder, auto encoder we have connected, this is the model now. Okay. Run this. Now this is the main line, guys. Here is the twist here. Now concentrate carefully. Whatever you want, here is the game here. Please concentrate. As Modi ji image is under img underscore array and Amit Shah image is under img score array 2 because the variable is like this. Check it. img underscore array 2 is Amit Shah image and IMG score array is Modi ji image. Now here is the game. Here in this line is the total picture, guys. Now please concentrate carefully. I am having the two images of Amit ji and Modi ji. Now if I want to convert Modi ji image to Amit Shah image, Modi ji image to Amit Shah image. So Modi ji image I want to keep at first place. This is the first. IMG underscore array is Modi ji image. So I have to write down this first, comma, and then Amit Shah image as the second. This is the Amit Shah image. So this is correct. If it is written in this way, it will convert Modi ji image to Amit Shah image. If I want reverse, that I want Amit Shah image to Modi ji image. So I will write down image underscore array to Amit Shah first and image underscore array second, Modi ji second. So this code will convert Amit Shah into Modi ji. So these two numbers are playing the game here. So I am writing Modi ji to Amit Shah. So I am putting back to original, and model is auto encoder. So now this line is learning. Your auto encoder is learning if Modi ji image is input, Amit Shah image as a output, and I'm running it 500 times. Learn it iteration wise, 500 iteration. So I'm executing this. So it is now running 500 times. It is training now. Training is going on. Check it. So algorithm is learning now. If input is Amit Shah, Narendra Modi ji image, output is Amit Shah. They are learning right now. Wait for a moment, it will run. I hope you are also training is going on. Please tell me. Or it is going above your head. Tell me. No response coming from the participant. I don't know they are in front of screen or not. Or either you are running this. They are busy in running the code. Training is going on. Very good. So my training is also going on. Modi ji to Amit Shah. And I am interested to know what you are converting. Professors, what you are converting? Which image to which image? You people are working on which two images? Someone is getting the error. Oh, your array is not of same size. You have to run the code from starting. Okay. Your error, I got it. Your size is mismatching. Please upload and run all the cell from the first size. You have not resized the image. I have done that. Please check it. In the image, please resize this. See, resize image. You have to convert to the same size and then run it. So training is still going on. We are almost in the end of the training right now. So my file is get trained now. Amit ji to Modi ji. 500 epoch is done. Now my model is ready. Okay. Now to this model, I will give Modi ji image as an input. Any other format, PNG also. Done. Now my model is trained. Autoencoder is trained on input image as Modi ji, output image at Amit Shah. Now to this model now, I will give Modi ji image as an input to predict what is an output. Now to this model, I am asking, hey, predict. If I will give Modi ji image as an input, so it will predict in PRED variable. I am running that. Now whatever it had been predicted, I am drawing that now. I am executing what is that. So see, it is producing something like that Amit Shah, but Amit Shah is not looking clear. It is producing some blurry image. But behind the scene is, yes, I can recall that it is Amit Shah image because it is showing some blue color in between and some baldness and so on. Same image, this one. This one. Just a second, I'm showing you that. This image, check it, this one. But not clear. So what I can do that to look it clear. Okay, to look that clear. This image, I am running, before I have run 500 times. Now you have to run 3000 time or 4000 time, and but it will take so much time for training. Now I am running 1500 time to check whether image is improved or not. So now this is the blind game, research and experiment. Run 500 time, 1000 time, 1500 time, 3000 time, 5000 time, and check the effect in the image. Now I am running 1500 time, but it will take so much time. That's what running the deep learning in the live practice is always danger. So now it is running 1500 time. Now meanwhile I will come to your process and solve your doubt while training is going on. Anyone is facing challenges or you are executing that, please let me know. Meanwhile the training is going on, I can solve your doubt. Executing, good. That 500 epoch is still executing, that didn't over 500 epoch. What about others? Huh. How to know how many epoch is hyperparameter? I also don't know in how many epoch output will come. Good. So we are just changing the number of epoch here and playing around that. We have to play, experiment. 500, 1000, 1500, 200, 2000. I also don't know in which epoch output is coming good. So we are just playing around it. Are you getting? So epoch is a hyperparameter. I'm still in the epoch number 378 and so on. Check your epoch. Which two images you people are converting, guys? Which two images you are converting? Just out of curiosity, I'm asking. You can convert your image to your brother image, sister image, your mother image to father image, and so on. Okay, great. You people are converting Rohit Sharma to Virat Kohli. Great. My training is still going on. Great. Convert. Epoch means iteration. Epoch means this. In this our diagram which I explained to you, epoch means, suppose I am having 10,000 images. So one epoch means all 10,000 images should go forward propagation and one backward propagation, all 10,000. This is called as one epoch. So one epoch means if in my project there are 10,000 images, input images. So all 10,000 input images will go forward propagation and one backward propagation. This is one epoch. So in the simple way, I'm giving you one book for reading. In the first time you will read the book, that is one epoch. Then again, second time you are reading the book, second epoch, and so on. So it is iteration only, correct? No. This project is, I am showing you that so that in smaller time I can show this project. That's what this project heading is, single image to single image. But I can make the same project on multiple image to multiple images also. But for that purpose, we require lots of time, hardware system, and so on. That I cannot show you within 2 days of FDP. That kind of projects are very good and high level of enterprise project. We require lots of training on that and so on. So, but as per now, this project which I am showing, which can be run easily, that's what we are executing on single image to single image. But in the real time, we can execute on multiple image to multiple images also. Don't worry. So it is 1,000 epoch is running currently. So you all are joining from Hyderabad or different part of India? Just wanted to interact with you guys while my training is going on. You are from India, means obviously, means out of Hyderabad, from which regions? Or all are from Hyderabad? Mainly Hyderabad. Okay, great. So my training is still going on. Good. Check it. That's what deep learning project, so much time for training, guys. This is the drawback of deep learning. Any means what? NE. Someone written any in the chat window.
Hi, sir. This is Vijay
Yes.
Bhaskar. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are
Sir,
audible.
I have a question. I mean, in general,
Yeah,
I mean,
please.
when we are talking about computing power,
Yes.
what is the GPU? Like, I have heard, like, I've just read it, but I want to
Yes.
hear it from you. Like,
Yeah. There are different companies, those who are preparing the GPU actually. Okay. So the famous GPU is of NVIDIA company, NVIDIA GPU currently in the world. Okay. That's what NVIDIA become the most valuable company in the world. So currently we are actually using the NVIDIA GPU, which is having the multi-core processor inside that. Okay. And we are using this GPU for our purpose. That's what, if you will check the most valuable company list in the world currently. So NVIDIA is on the top valuable company in the world. So NVIDIA came very on the top list because of this selling the GPUs only. So GPU are provided by different company, but I am guiding you, the number one GPU company is NVIDIA, then Intel and others. Okay, race is going on, but NVIDIA GPU is very good. So in that process, according to the list of budget, that is our budget. So GPUs are coming. For example, price list of GPU processor in the world. So according to your budget, then you can purchase that. See, GPU processor, this one,
Okay.
depending on need and requirement. But I would like to suggest, if your budget is very good, purchase GPUs of NVIDIA.
Okay.
Okay. So now my training has been done for 1500 epoch. I will give Modi ji image as an input. Now check the Amisha image as output. Let's check that how it will show. Now it is looking some clear again. So it indicates that again I need to go and run the same, instead of 1500 epoch to 3000 epoch and so on. So see, it look like real nearly to Amisha, but I can make it more clear by running the more epoch. Same thing you have to do, guys. So see, this is the project, converting single image to other image and so on. Very easy. But to do this project, as I told you, requirement, that roadmap and so on. I hope you also got the output. Please tell me, you got the output or not? I am here to guide you. Or is this going above the head? Please tell me. These are all generative AI projects. You got the image with more clarity. So see, you people, you got the image with more clarity. Great. So this is the one demo model we are showing to the client. See, we are having the capability of converting one image to another. This is the simple demo we are showing to them and so on. So like that, guys, there is, you can imagine how many projects we can do in the era of generative AI. Right now, see, we people don't know heavy-headed technical knowledge also, but we are trying to do this kind of project. This is the need of the world currently. With the help of AI tools, please do this project and so on. Is this clear up to this part? Please tell me. From my side, I have given you two projects today. Tomorrow also we will do the two projects. Okay. Tomorrow we will do the project called as PDF summarizer. If it is possible, I can also show you the code project called as code generator, and so on. Great, guys. I'm really liking that you are running the code parallelly with me and you are enjoying the session. Nice. It's really nice. So that's all from my side for the today's session. Please let me know any doubt. I am opening for the doubt solving session now. Please tell me any doubt. Meanwhile, you can play around with this code.
Hi, sir. This is Vijay Bhaskar.
Your voice is low, very low.
Yeah, is it audible now?
Now it is audible.
Yeah. Sir, I mean, since we are into academics, I mean, I'm actually a research scholar.
Okay.
More focused towards, I mean, like identifying the problem and, I have to get into the real research actually.
Okay.
So I need some suggestion on that. And
My,
many of the participants here are most of them into teaching. They are
I got,
professors. Yeah.
yes. So
Yeah.
you can use generative AI application right now. With the help of generative AI, you can make a specific application for hospital industry, okay, and so on. So in the generative AI, like one application I showed you, PDF summarizer. So you can make one special chat GPT kind of application for one specific hospital only. So with the data of that hospital only, that kind of product will give the output to you. For example, right now, if I am asking chat GPT anything, it is giving me the answer across the world. But if I will ask ChatGPT some internal data information of your college, so ChatGPT will not provide. Only ChatGPT is knowing that what is this college, because whatever available in internet information about your college, up to that only. But if you are asking some very internal data of ChatGPT regarding the salary structure and so on, so ChatGPT will not provide that answer. So to make special customized ChatGPT for any organization, so that is the current hot topic going in the world. Or secondary, On the cognitive intelligence, you can choose the topic cognitive intelligence. That means so many projects going on currently to make such a machine which behave like human. So you can do the project in cognitive intelligence. You can do the project on GAN, generating the images for the different industry, fake images for the different industry, which can help them, medical images and so on, and so many other application you can have. But I would like to know your domain, that means engineering background, electronics, civil or what. Accordingly, also we can discuss.
I'm actually BTech in computer science,
Huh.
MTech in computer science.
Great. So then you can do this generative AI kind of project only GAN or NLP, and then you can build some generalized application either for hospital industry, civil. You can do one thing after the session. We can connect. We can have a long discussion, and surely
Yeah.
it will be wonderful to discuss on that part. And
Okay.
someone asked the question. There are so many application of the autoencoder, denoising of the images, one image to another images, feature selection, and so on. So there are so many applications of autoencoder, application of autoencoder. So, and all are used for this only. What we can say, image to image generation. So these are the applications of autoencoder, image to image generation, denoising of the image. See, this is the autoencoder application, denoise. Give the blurry image as an input, you will get a good image as an output. So these are the applications of autoencoder. We are heavily using in the industry and so on. These are the part. Please check it. Blurry image and so on. One image to another image. Okay. One image with a face glass like this, and another image is without spec. One image is with a beard of one person. Another image is the clean image. So like that, so many projects we are doing with the help of autoencoder. For the feature selection, we are doing autoencoder. So many applications are there, and all
Sir,
are real-time application. Yes.
sir, here in this image, we are all working with the images. So
Okay.
in the images working, image pre-processing is a very essential. So
Absolutely.
whether
Without
the image processing subject will be play a role in this design of the application.
Absolutely. If you are designing the higher end projects on computer vision, so there is one subject in our academy is called as digital image processing. If you heard that subject.
Yes.
Yeah.
But
So in the
as we are
digital,
having the already built-in models, so we are
huh,
giving the images, whatever the image and how the image is. From that, it is
yes,
going to extract the features by the
absolutely. Extracting the
convolution
feature.
layer.
Yes,
Convolution
yes.
layer. So
Feature
where
extract.
we are going to play a role with using the image processing concepts in these models.
Yes. We are giving pre-processed image only to the convolutional neural network. That means
Oh,
we are doing image segmentation, image enhancement, and so on, depending on the requirement of the project. And the pre-processed image only we are giving to CNN for learning. Then only CNN will extract the important features from that.
okay. Even though these models are available, there is an
Yes,
importance for the image processing.
that's what. If you remember in my diagram also, when I started today's session, I
Ah,
told you whatever the data we are having. Okay, I have shown you today also. See that diagram I'm coming to here. This is that diagram. Check it. Whatever data you are working on, text, audio data, do text pre-processing and apply the algorithm. Now this image and video, I told you during that explanation, you can see the recording. I asked that image, video, take the data, do the image pre-processing, and then they give the do the algorithm. This all is called as cleaning of data. So either the data is in text, audio, image, video, or structure data. First part is cleaning of the data, that is called as pre-processing of that data with a different technique. And then we are giving the algorithm on that. So image pre-processing is compulsory part.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Great. So wonderful guys, wonderful. You people are really wonderful. I really appreciate of having the patience of listening such a high-end technology. And I also hope that you people are enjoying the session.
Definitely, sir. We'll plan one offline session also.
Offline you plan.
Yes.
Offline is a magic. In the online, I also don't know. 54 are showing in my screen, but
Okay.
50% are in front of screen right now. I am confident on that.
we will plan in the month of December, sir.
Yes, yes, plan it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So that's all from my side today. Let's meet tomorrow. Okay. And
Okay.
till that time, keep learning and happy learning.
Thank you very much, dear participants. Feedback link is shared in the WhatsApp group. Please fill that. Thank you very much. Again, tomorrow sessions are also by the Arpit sir only. Thank you.